was playing a flute and the songbirds were dumb. I stayed listening to her wonderful melody, and the air was filled with every note she played. Slowly I sat by her side. Precious gift that I ever held. Igorota, beat up my heart. I'll go on loving you throughout my precious gift that I ever had. Igorota, beat up my heart. I go on loving you throughout my life. You are my day, my morning sun. You'll forever be my only one. She puts down the flute and sweetly she smiled, and she asked me, why are you staring at me? And I hold her close and the songbird song. I whispered to her, I love you. Most precious gift that I ever